Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find deleted posts on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you accidentally hit the delete button on Facebook by mistake? Don't worry, whether it was a photo with your loved ones or something else important, I will show you how to find the deleted post on your Facebook. It's so simple. So first you can just open your Facebook, but I will show you first that I will open my profile and delete some posts. I want to delete this one. I'm sorry, I want to delete this one and also this one. And yeah, now how to find that uh, deleted post. It's so simple. So you can go back. You can go to settings by tap on the upper corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. You can go to activity log here. You can tap on that. And you'll find there is an option trash. You can just tap on that. And here's all the posts that you just delete from your Facebook profile. So anytime maybe you want to restore it, you can just restore it. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find deleted posts on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.